Still feel it. Now we're where the culprit usually is, which. Hey guys, John Pruitt with Addison Riley, and I've got a call out here to come and look at some floors, hardwood floors that are buckling. This house was probably built, I don't know, 1950s, somewhere around there. It's got that nice 2-inch red oak that a lot of houses in East Hill, North Hill, older homes have that are off grade. And let me show you what's going on, show you what we found. If you've got this issue, we'll show you what you need to do to kind of take care of it. Come on over in here and take a look at this floor. So what we can tell is as soon as we open the door is we have humidity is pretty strong, mildew is pretty strong, and these floors are buckling really bad. So you're seeing them pop up, and then if I run my foot just like this over the part that's not buckling up, you can actually feel the cupping of the wood. So as we come in here, we see it starting to happen in the middle of the floor. But here's the funny thing, it's not happening in the ceiling, okay? So let's find out why that is. So as we come through here, we still feel all the buckling. I'm gonna put this flashlight on so we can start to see. We still feel it. Now we're where the culprit usually is, which is your AC unit and your condensate drain line, or one of those issues. If we come over here and open up your register, keep in mind it smells real mildewy. This looks really good. This has been changed out, but look what we have in here. Dried lint. Now look at all that flooring, and hopefully you can see it because of the lighting. It's dark in here. You see all that buckled flooring and all the finish is gone? That's been leaking for a long time, and you can tell that lint is matted and it's been draining down through that wood. So what we're having is moisture, humidity, and flooding basically occur. Let's leave that down for now. Occur through the home. It's going down under the wood and then it's going out. Now come over here, and then here we're going to find it again. Now, if you start seeing issues around your AC, you need to call a licensed HVAC. I'm a builder, I'm a roofer, a consultant, but I'm not a HVAC guy. And you can see here how it's wet. And you can see here, that's water. And of course, pop that off, water's draining out of there. So this has been leaking for a while. And because it's off grade, if it was on slab, you would see it start to pond a little bit. But we've got water all around, down the interior unit and coming down the platform. So that is a big problem. Usually when we run, let's get back in here to the light. But usually when you run into these issues with buckling floors, it's usually an AC unit issue or a crawl space issue. Maybe you got a vapor barrier that's not down below on the ground, or you may not have enough venting at all. So you want to look for those issues. Okay guys, if you have any issues like this, give us a call at addisonriley.com, Addison Riley LLC on Facebook, or call us at 776-5009.